Good morning students. Today in English class we will do Hive English Reader Workbook from page number 43. Let's start. In page number 43 we will match the opposites. Here some words are given and the opposite words of that words are given here. Now we have to match that. Here long, long is written. We know that opposite of long is short, and here short is written. So long, opposite of long is short. So we will match long with short. Like this. Long, short. Now here open is written. Opposite of open is shut, and here shut is written. Open, opposite of open is shut. So we will match open with shut. Like this. Now the next word. Here hot is written. Opposite of hot is cold, and here cold is written. Hot, opposite of hot is cold, so we will match hot with cold. Now here up is written. Opposite of up is down, and here down is written. Up, opposite of up is down, so we will match up with down. Do this at home. Thank you.